Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Peyton. So obviously you could tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be doing a lock petal bun. Girl, when you got sister locks instead of traditional locks and you try to do this and you're rushing, oh, it's not ideal. Like it's not ideal. But anyway, I don't really want to like talk too much in the intro. There's really not that much for me to say, but yeah, we're just gonna jump right into the video. Okay, so to start everything off, we're going to moisturize, and I start doing everything before I show you the product, but I'm going in with my Lock God hair misting spray. It is from Instagram. This is my black owned business. For this video, I will be using the hair misting spray and the stimulating oil as well to moisturize my locks. I've been using these products for a while now, and when I tell you, oh my gosh, like, my locks are way softer. I haven't really seen much of growth happening, but I don't know, maybe it's how consistent I'm putting the oil and everything in, but whatever. But yeah, as far as like the texture of my locks, it has gotten way softer, and I really love this product. So if you do have locks, I 100% recommend these two products. Now I'm going to put my hair up into a high ponytail, as high as you can get it, or whatever your preference is, how you want it to be. I like my lock buns to basically sit like right on top of my head. That's why I'm like leaning over, putting all my hair to the front and starting off my ponytail that way, so I can make sure I have all the locks in and they're nice and pulled and secure 100%. So yeah, and I like to use a long scrunchie instead of a short one, because the long ones, they have more of a pull, obviously, and I can wrap it around multiple times, so my ponytail is as tight as I need it to be. So like I said, for my locks to be secure and they won't be like slipping out or all over the place. Before I start doing my petals, I want to lay down my edges, of course. And when lay down your edges, I'm just going to moisturize them one more time with the misting spray and then the oil. Once I'm done moisturizing my edges, I then put on the edge control. I use the Lotta Body coconut edge control. Get this from your local beauty supply store. I'm not really a fan of this. I mean, like, it's good. Actually, no, I take that back. It's a nice edge control. I guess it's cool for locks because, you know, you don't want buildup in your locks. So I will say that after doing this method with the misting spray and the oil and then applying my edge control, it doesn't leave buildup. Of course, after wearing edge control, I always like to rinse out my edges so I prevent that any future damage or anything to my locks. I then finish laying down my edges, and then I'm just going to tie it down with a scarf, not silk scarf, just a regular scarf that I found in the drawer. So, yeah. Okay, let's get into it. You're going to need rubber bands. So, for the lock petals, I'm so sorry for this angle that I'm shooting at. It's so terrible. But anyway, you're going to make like a bunny ear loop, like how you would do when you're tying your shoe. Make the loop. You're going to use 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb, to hold the end of your hair and the root together. That's basically where you're going to put the rubber band to tie the loop together. I really don't know if I'm making sense, and I hate the fact that you can't really see, so it's kind of hard for the visual, but as the video goes on, it may be easier to see what exactly I'm doing. But like I said, you're going to make a loop, fold down from the end of your lock, make it meet the roots of your lock, and then you're going to tie it with a rubber band, and it's going to look like a little shoelace knot, basically, or like shoelace loop, let me say. So I'm just going to try to explain it one more time. You're going to fold your locks in half. So since I have sister locks, I'm doing multiple locks at a time. Whereas if you had traditional locks, probably you would do like 1 or 2, depending on how many locks that you had and depending on the look you're going for. Also, with me having sister locks, like I've seen people do lock petals without the bun. You know, if you want to see me do it without the bun, I never really tried it without the bun, but I can give it a shot, and maybe that will be a better demonstration for lock petals. But you're basically just going to fold your locks in half, and you're going to tie it at the root with the rubber band. So that's all it is to it. I like to do the bun because it's simpler for me and is not as time consuming, whereas if I had my locks down and I were to fold them in half. But like I said, if you guys want to see that, I can do it. Just let me know and put it in the comment section. Like, let me know what you want to see, what styles, or if you want me to just keep going with my regular normal, what the things I'm used to. Like, you know, just let me know and I will try to fulfill what you guys want. So yeah. I also wanted to add that I really have no specific method when it comes to doing a lock petal bun, because I'm impatient and I just want to get things over with as quick as possible, and I want to see it basically fill out faster than what it would normally take, if that makes sense. So I typically will like start off in the front, like directly in the front to start the petals off, or I may start like directly in the middle. So I would spread all of my locks across my head, like put them to the front, to the side, and to the back, whichever way that they lay, so that way I could start with the middle, because sometimes when you're doing lock petals and you're doing them in a bun, it is harder to reach the middle. So I know like you don't have to use rubber bands. I personally just like to use rubber bands because bobby pins hurt my head and I leave my bun in for some days, and I'm very tender-headed, so I just feel as though rubber bands are easier for me. And I don't know if you could just tell, but like in the front, I didn't even use rubber bands. Like I just tucked away the ones that just weren't long enough to fold in half. And that's just how I achieve the look. Or even throughout the bun, I may have a few that just hang off on the side, or I don't fold them because they're like so short and they just stick out a little bit. I feel like it's really cute. It makes it original, and it differentiates everything from the next person. So that's personally how I like it, because I don't really like things to be neat to the point, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3 type of thing. That's just me personally. But this is just a demonstration on how to achieve lock petals in a bun. And it's, you know, it's easy. It's cute, simple, easy. And as you go on and do the bun, you do want to like shake it out a little bit, shake your head so it's not stiff and it's as full as it can possibly be. And even when I'm done, the lock petals, I even like to stretch them out some so my bun appears a little bit bigger than how it started. So yeah, just a couple tips and a couple pointers. this is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. While I was recording this, I was actually rushing to get ready because I'm going somewhere. So this was like the fact that it came out this good and I was rushing. Proud of myself. Claps for me. Kudos for Peyton. Because Lord knows I hate being rushed. I hate being rushed. Like, real big pet peeve of mine. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, because I enjoy it. I feel like I look good. Good. I look good. Stink. I look good. Like, what? Ooh, I'm feeling myself. Okay. So anyway, like I said, this is the finishing look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for the support, tuning in and watching my video and staying updated and subscribing in the comments and everything. Like, I just love it. I love it, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know who to tell. Tell your family, friends, everybody that's around you that you love. And yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.